Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 2026-03 KB5079391 not installing on Windows level update. In this video, seeing before you are begin, subscribe my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these three steps. First step is restart your system. So go to the start menu and click on the power button, and you can click on the restart button. Click to restart your system. Once it restart your again, recheck your Windows update. If this type does not working, then go to the next step. Delete the crashing files in Windows update. So we need file explorer. Click on it and open. Then go to the local disk C. Then click on the Windows folder. Double tap to open. Then scroll down. Find software distribution folder. Double tap to open it. Then select all folders and right click on the files and choose the delete button. Once it click to delete all files. Once it delete, then come to back, then go to that start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system. It's safe this method. Just to try it. Then once it finish, then recheck your Windows update. Definitely these steps try to your problem fix it. Then one more method for the command promote. So we need Windows search bar and type cmd. Right click on the command promote and choose the run as administrator. Then click on the confirmation yes, click on it, and inside command promote and type sfc, give the space scan now. Just hit the enter. Then sfc, give the space /scan now, hit the enter. Okay, this process will take some time, so the verification 100% completed, then only you will come to back. I will skip it the steps. After that finished, then only you restart your system and recheck your Windows update. Then so smoothly work it now Windows update. Then the, if you have any doubt, go to that comment section, comment. I will definitely reply. And don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. And thanks for watching.